Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Let's solve another problem using Euclid's division lemma. Use Euclid's division lemma to show that the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. So here two things to note. One is cube, next is in the form of 9m, 9m plus some remainder. So here let's state the Euclid's division lemma like a is equals to b cube plus r, 0 less than or equals to r less than b here. Okay, so a is some integer, some any integer, a can be any integer. So what is the value of b here? In this problem no hint is given, so now we need to see what should be the value of b such that if it is in the previous example also we have seen if this is multiplied by this one gives us the perfect cube. In the previous example it was a square, so by multiplying this b with the given number, it should give us the perfect square. In the previous example, it was 3m and here b value we taken 3. 3 3s are 9, so it gives us the perfect square. 9 is a perfect square. So in the same way, so now we need to find out. So 9b gives us the perfect cube here because he wanted us to show a cube of a number. So what is the value of b? So b is equals to, so 9b is, if it is a 27, it is 27 is a perfect cube, right? That is equals to 3 cube. So 9 3s are. So b will become 27 by 9. That is equals to, b value is 3 here. So we should take b only 3. Why 3? Because 3 multiplied by 9 gives us the perfect cube. If it is a 4, 4 9s are 36. 36 is not a perfect cube, right? So we can't solve this problem. So to get the perfect cube, so b value should be 3. If b value is 3, what are all possible values for r? R possible values are 0, 1 and 2. So now a is in the form of 3q plus 1, 3q plus 2. Okay, so now let's solve this. Now we found the what is the value of b. So let's solve. So a is equals to 3q plus 1 and 3q plus 2. Let's take the cube of each case individually, 3q and 3q plus 1, 3q plus 2, and let's see in which form it is going to be. Let's say a is equals to 3q. So whole cube is equals to 27 cube. We need in the form of 9m's. So let's take 9 common. So it is 3 cube. So we can say this is in the form of 9m. This whole value is m. And let's take another case now. A is equals to 3q plus 1 whole cube. So I'll write here a plus b whole cube formula. A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. 3ab square. So by this example we can clearly see. So what is a is 3. So a cube means 27 cube plus b cube is 1 plus 3ab square. So 3a square b. So 3a. So it is square means 9q square. 3 into 9q square to 1 plus 3ab square into 1. So it is 27 cube plus 27 square plus 9 cube plus 1. So let's take 9 common. Why 9 common? Because we need to represent in the form of 9m's. So if I take 9 common, 3 cube plus 3 square plus cube plus 1. So you can see here this is in the form of 9m plus 1. So this is in the form of 9m plus 1. Similarly, let's see for 3q plus 2. So here a is equals to 3q plus 2 whole cube. So again the same way, a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. In the same format we write. So a cube is what? 27 cube plus b cube is what? 8. 2 cube is 8 plus 3 into a square means 9q square into b, that is 2, plus 3 into A means 3q into b square is what? 4. So 27 cube plus, let's write the constants, let's put it to the rightmost, so to the left, to the end. So 27 q square plus what is this value? Sorry, 27 into 2, 54 is here, because 3 9s are 27 and 2 54. 54 q square plus 3 3s are 9, 9 4s are 36. 36 q plus 8 here. So again we need to represent in the form of 9m's, right? So let's take the 9 comma. So 3 cube, what is this? 54 cube, right? So 9 6 jar. So 6 9 6 q square plus 9 4 jar, 4 cube plus 8 here. So you can see this is in the form of 9m plus 8. So here 9m is proved, 9m plus 1 as 9m plus 8 as correct. So hence it is proved.